GR Institute of Commerce has a strong history. It has very precious and memorable moments. Here are the glimpses of the Children's Day and Annual Day celebrations at GR. Life at GR has always been a mixed bag of academics and cultural development.
स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मेरा ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? कमेंट करें, शेयर करें, मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।